I've come back the third time to talk to you about the Ebola outbreak that we have in the districts of Mubende, Ggwanga, Kasanda, Kagadi, and Bunyangabo. We now have a total of 58 confirmed cases and 19 deaths. Abantu 58 bakasangibwa n'akawuka ne 19 be bafudde. As I've told you many times, this disease is survivable. Osobola kuwona obulwadde buno. And to prove that, so far, 20 people have recovered from the Ebola. Kubali 58, 19 bafudde, 2 bawonye, abo bali 39, ekitegeeza nti waliwo abalala abakyali balwadde. There are others who are still sick. Last time, I spoke to you about some people that were difficult. Like I told you, this sickness is not really, it's a bad disease. It's very violent.